Alright, go ahead. Wait.
Welcome back to Dimensions DIY. Today we are building a mason jar wall planter. Begin by marking your pallet board at 19 inches. Then, using a miter saw, cut your board. Now we need to mark where our mason jars will go. We marked ours at 2 3/4, 9 1/2, and 16 1/4 inches. To make this step easy, open up your hose clamp and place in the desired location and attempt to screw in by hand, which clearly isn't working, so let's move on to our cordless drill. Now close your hose clamps so it's easier to fit the jars in. Once the jars are in, tighten them down. Don't go too tight, and you don't want broken glass everywhere. A snug fit will be just fine. Check us out at DimensionsDIY.com for more project ideas.